Mr. Speaker, that having acted in that position for too long, allow me quote one philosopher who says that it's never too late to be what you might have been. And allow me say, Mr. Speaker, allow me say that it's never too late for Honorable Duke Onyari to be clerk in this County Assembly of Nyamira. I therefore support Mr. Speaker. Thank you so much.
The Honorable, I'm going to give you 1 minute each to take stock of time. The Honorable Michelle Temuma.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And first of all, kindly allow me to pass my congratulations to our newly elected honorable members. That is our new speaker, together with our deputy speaker, Honorable Matinga. Congratulations for that. And since I have been given 1 minute, allow me to weigh into the ongoing discussion. And I would wish, first of all, to say that I support the motion for the following reason. It is quite unfortunate that we've had someone who is overqualified working as an acting clerk for more than 6 months. Let me first of all thank for acting for more than 5 years, sorry. First of all, let me thank our clerk, our now duly appointed clerk, that is Duke Onyari. Kindly let me thank him for having been very patient with this honorable house for all that while. And then number two.
Honorable member, the motion has not carried the day.
Sorry, Honorable Speaker, thank you. But from the ongoing discussion, I can tell that it's good. Yes, Mr. Speaker, I stand guided, but let me proceed. Honorable Onyari, thank you very much that you did not sue this particular house, owing to the fact that you are an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, and you've been in that acting capacity for more than 5 years. If we all look at our human resource manual, you'll realize that it gives an employee who has been employed or who is acting in an acting capacity for at least 6 months to be in that position. When it exceeds 6 months, ideally, the employer should automatically confirm this particular person, and more so if the person has satisfactorily performed exemplarily. I wish to confirm that I have worked with Onyari for quite a while, and I can confidently say he has all the qualifications he deserves to be appointed as a substantive clerk. Mr. Speaker, with your kind permission, if you can kindly ask Honorable Nyangana to maintain order, because he's distracting me. Thank you. I would kindly urge all the honorable members who are before this honorable house today to allow us, or to unanimously agree with the motion that is before us. We support it fully, and we allow our clerk, Onyari, to become our substantive clerk so that we can all work together, since he has all the qualifications that we all deserve.
Thank you. The Honorable Penenya, member of Kenya Board.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As I rise to support this motion, first of all, allow me to congratulate you for the new position. I know you are diligent enough to discharge your duties, and the members have bestowed unto your hands the power of this house to lead the house. Honorable Matinga, I also congratulate you the same way. You are a man of integrity, and I know the house will achieve more. Honorable Speaker, Mr. Onyari has a lot of academic achievements, and also experience in working in this assembly. He also can serve as an institutional memory because he has been here longest. And therefore I know together as a team, you are going to steer the House into greater heights. Honorable Speaker, I want to repeat what Honorable Motwera said, that in the last few days the House has been bedeviled, and the devils are known. So I know the team will prevent the devils from bedeviling the House and the Assembly. So therefore, Honorable Speaker, because of the interest of time, I want to support this motion and I congratulate the Vice Chairperson of our board to have realized this, that it was necessary for Onyari to be confirmed as the substantive speaker. Pardon, the substantive clerk. And Honorable Mangera, the Vice Chair board, and the board members from this assembly, look at the other staff members who have stagnated in their grades for long. Peruse through the files and make sure every staff member who has worked here long enough and deserves promotion can be.
Take your mic, take your mic.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm saying that members of staff of the County Assembly who have been stagnating because of injustice from the previous regime can also be considered for promotion.
The accounting officer of the board, the administrative head of the service, the custodian of the board's records, responsible for, 1, the execution of the decisions of the board, and the assignment of duties and supervision of the staff of the board. Then F, the preparation and submission of the programs necessary for the achievement of the board's mandate for approval by the board. G, causing to be kept records of the proceedings and minutes of the meetings of the board and such other records of the board may direct. H, ensuring staff compliance with public service values, principles and ethics. And I, Honorable Speaker, the performance of such other duties as may be assigned by the board or any other written law. 2, the secretary shall be responsible for the chairperson of the board and the board for the general working and efficient conduct of business of the service. The board may delegate the secretary such of its functions as are necessary to carry out the day-to-day management of the service and subject to such directions as may be given by the board. Honorable Speaker, Section 19 of the County Assembly Service Act spells the functions of the clerk of the County Assembly as follows. A, the Chief Administrative Officer of the County Assembly, and B, responsible for the day-to-day management and the functioning of the County Assembly. Section 20, Mr. Speaker, of the County Assembly Service Act provides for the procedural functions of the clerk as follows. The rendering of expert, non-partisan, and impartial advice to the members of the County Assembly on the legislative process and parliamentary procedures and practice. And B.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And it's very procedural. When minority whip has spoken, majority whip should also be fast. First of all, allow me to thank the Almighty God for giving you a second chance in life, Mr. Speaker. And now, maybe the chance that you're given for life is the position that you inherited, the perfect one, the coveted one, to be the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly. I also want to remember the other brother that you're with, Honorable Charles, who is in hospital. I also wish him a quick recovery. And not forgetting about Honorable Nyamira, who was also involved in a very terrible accident, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, allow me also to congratulate you with your Deputy Speaker for the position that you've held now. And I want to thank that God has given us mature and reasonable people to lead this honorable house, Mr. Speaker. On the motion, much has been spoken with the move of the motion. The credibility, and most of us, not even forgetting Honorable Nyankana, that we may not be talking much on the credentials of the academics because we may not be knowing much. Allow me to thank the move of the motion that he compiled everything very well, and with Onyari, I want to believe that this house will move from this track of dramas to a stable county assembly, because the man before us, the motion before us of the great man Duke Onyari, is one cool guy, very brilliant, ready to work, and who does not know the clan, tribe, and even, Mr. Speaker, religion, in terms of working with everybody from all quarters. On this, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you and thank your family for standing with you in the time of need, and I want to ask that, as I support the motion, I want to ask that you put the question and we end this so as we see this guy take oath of office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. And now put a question that this county assembly, having debated on the report on approval of the appointment of Mr. Simon Nyamira as a clerk of the county assembly, I now put a question that this county assembly approves the appointment of the one Mr. Duke Simeon Nyamira as a clerk of the county assembly. Will as many out of the similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many out of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. The clerk to take the oath of office.